Hey guys, what's going on? Arman here. So this video you guys are gonna see a bunch of amazing people that came today to just piece their support for Artsakh, mention their support for Artsakh, voice their support for Artsakh, and that they're not indifferent inside of Armenia. There is a lot of people outside that are outsiders, that are quote unquote not Armenian, that still care for Armenia. And so that is what this video is all about. I want to give a shout out to Anush for helping co-organize this with me, and I want to give a shout out for everyone that came. So you guys are gonna see here in the memorial, Genocide Memorial, a bunch of amazing people that came in to say that enough is enough. Let's unblock the road of life in Artsakh. That's it. Arman out.
Hi, I'm Dana, and I'm a United States citizen, and I'm also a Jewish American. I live here in Yerevan. I've lived here in Armenia for 3 years, and I stand with Artsakh because it reminds me so much of my people's suffering in ghettos during World War II. And I think it's time for the world's attention to come to Artsakh and save it from this terrible tragedy of starvation and being cut off from services. So please give your attention and support.
I'm from Spain, and I demand the unblocking of the Lachin corridor. The Armenians there in Artsakh are suffering and they need help right now. There's so many people. Hey guys, what's going on? So we finally finished the event. You know, I finished very inspired. You know, there's probably, I don't know, hundreds of thousands of tourists in Armenia right now. There were like, I don't know, 50, 60 people here, 40. But still, I was very grateful for all those people. It could have been 5. So I'm very grateful for every single one here that came today and stood for Artsakh in this historic moment in the Genocide Memorial. This is not over. This is just the beginning. Let's stay in touch with everyone that came and helped, and everyone watching. Again, I just want to say this is not over. We are not going to give up until this happens. And by the way, the last message I want to say to everyone is to our enemies, how are you, like, we're not going to forget what you're doing now. We're going to unblock it, but we're not going to forget what you're doing, and you're going to pay for it. That's my last message. Let's work towards that instead of talking, and we'll go from there. Arman out.